Hello, today we are looking at one of the most iconic aircraft of all time, with this being the Daron British Airways Concorde. Now you can see this model packaged in this nice little presentation box here. As you can see, the model very nicely displayed through this window here. Got British Airways written nice and big at the top, and right next to the model you can see the make of it, the Concorde. So you've got nice couple selling points, which is it's made of die-cast metal, and it's got an authentic livery, and that this model is for ages 4+, as you can see here. A nice warning there. And on the back we have an image of the Concorde in flight, as you can see here. Looking really nice. Now let's actually open the box and have a look at this model itself. Pop it open, slide it out. And as you can see, the model's just held down by a couple of little twist things, so just untwist them really easily. You should be able to just nice and gently be able to lift the model out. Let's put this to the side. And here you can see we've got a nice little die-cast metal model of the Concorde. See it's got all of its defining details, the narrow fuselage of the Concorde. You can see the delta wing of the model as well, that nice iconic shape of its wings. It's got a nice pointy nose. Now on a real Concorde, this would have a droop nose that would dip during a landing, so when it's on the ground, so you can see for the pilots that they could see when taking off. You can see all of the windows nicely placed. Moves to the back, you can see the nice little jet engines. You can see the engines on the bottom as well there and there. And you can see the tail as well. Looking quite nice. Again, this is a nice simple die-cast metal model, but it still does a nice representation of the Concorde, one of the most iconic planes to ever exist. Now again, it does have some landing gear here, some very nice, just very basic landing gear, just a couple of metal wheels, but they do roll, as you can see. It does have rollable wheels. Of course, you can see the brand underneath. Now let's go on to the actual livery, as it says authentic livery. This is the British Airways Chatham Dockyard livery, which, whilst it is standard across all British Airways aircraft today, it was first introduced on the Concorde, and for a while, it was the only aircraft to actually use this livery. So, this iconic British Airways Chatham Dockyard livery was introduced on the Concorde. You can see here, got British Airways in its logo, and the flag on the vertical stabilizer, looking really nice. So a nice livery introduced for this plane, which has now been later adopted to all British Airways planes. Now as you can see, looking really nice. Now let's have a quick little bit about the Concorde itself. As you know, the Concorde is a retired supersonic airliner, and it was developed by the French company Sud Aviation and the British company, the British Aircraft Company, as a joint venture. Only 14 commercial aircraft were ever produced, with 7 being owned by British Airways and 7 being owned by Air France. But 6 prototype models were also built. They were manufactured between 1965 and 1979 and introduced into service in 1976. But they were all retired in 2003. During their time in service, they were the flagship aircraft of both British Airways and Air France. So this was, at one point, the flagship aircraft of British Airways. It's really nice and cool. It was capable of reaching speeds of Mach 2, which is twice the speed of sound, but due to it creating sonic booms when it went twice the speed of sound, it was limited to just transoceanic flights, which are just flights over the ocean, where it won't disturb the people living. We won't disturb people living, and of course flying over areas, creating a sonic boom, a little bit of a disturbance. Now, if we go to the actual side of this model, if we look at its length, it's about 15 centimeters long, or 5.9 inches. It has a width of about 7 centimeters long, or 2.7 inches, and it has a height of about the height here, about 2 centimeters, or 0.7 inches. Just overall, it's a nice little simple die-cast metal model of the British Airways Concorde. Again, as I keep rotating, one of the most iconic aircraft of all time, one of the most important. It's looking really nice. This model is a perfect gift for anyone who is a fan of aviation, British Airways, the Concorde. It is just overall a really nice, simple little piece. And it's available now from modelcorner.co.uk.